Across the globe, energy systems are going through rapid transitions that are changing the way we power industries. Industries need to reduce energy consumption and develop efficient energy technologies to create viable and long-lasting solutions for the future. For over 60 years, LG has helped companies across the world achieve their production goals while lowering operational costs. Aimed at addressing this increasing need for energy efficiency and high productivity, LG has expanded its range of oil-lubricated screw air compressors. ELGi series, built for energy efficiency and performance, offers low total cost of ownership and best-in-class reliability. The ELGi series, with its proprietary air end design and unique ETA-V profile, engages large rotors operating at slow speeds for improved efficiency. Cast in LG's world-class foundry and finished in LG's Locus machine centers, the air ends have the highest quality. The ingeniously optimized split cooling system powers it to perform efficiently even in the hottest conditions. The intake valves offer suction modulation that saves 20% of energy during the load and unload cycles. The compressor subsystems are designed to minimize pressure losses and ensure high energy efficiency. The 4-pole motors have been designed to be more efficient than 2-pole motors. The pressure versions enable customers to select the optimum variant for their application. The integrated variable frequency drive offers significant energy savings by varying the flow with the actual demand of the application. The ELGi series of compressors are equipped with advanced yet easy-to-use Neuron 3 controllers. The controller ensures safe compressor operation, providing protection against major failures and ensuring safety for critical components. Additionally, the controller allows remote operation through Modbus. The ELGi series compressors contribute up to 10% reduction in power consumption, translating into annual lifecycle cost savings for the customer. Reliability and uptime are ensured by leak-free, corrosion-free connections. All major components are designed for an ambient temperature 45 degrees centigrade or 113 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring operation in extremely hot environments. A multi-stage inlet air filtration system that filters up to 99.9%. The oil separator efficiency with oil carryover of less than 1 ppm. Top quality components backed by industry's best warranty programs across the globe. Low maintenance costs and superior service. LG has over the years developed world-class products with best-in-class life cycle costs, resulting in higher uptime for the customer. LG's screw air compressors are tested for performance by Compressed Air and Gas Institute in the US. LG is the first globally established industrial air compressor manufacturer to be awarded the Deming Prize for Excellence in Total Quality Management in over 6 decades. Customers around the world have invested in LG's energy-efficient products that have time and again proved to be reliable and backed by the best service. Today, global brands from over 120 countries trust LG, with many more customers choosing LG to power their industries. LG has become a forerunner for energy efficiency and increased productivity in the world. The EG series, built for energy efficiency and performance. LG, always better.